there was once an idea. There was once an idea in Genesis chapter number 1 verse 26. There was once an idea when you read that passage. After God had created many things like the light, the firmament, the beauty of the seas, the earth, the landmass, and everything, the landscapes, then God had an idea within his Godhead. There was once an idea to make man in the image of the invisible God. Lokumuntu komfanekiso kaNkulunkulu ongabonwayo. Leli cebo lakhulunywa emaphakadeni. Icebo lokuthi uNkulunkulu ngingazenza kanjani kuNkulunkulu uba ngibe semhlabeni ngisezulwini. Ngingazireplicate kanjani ngoba uNkulunkulu othandayo ukuthi enze izinto zifane naye ukuze aphinde ayibheke ayincoma athi kuhle lokho. uNkulunkulu wakhuluma ehleli yedwa ezulwini ekhuluma naye ngoba uNkulunkulu onguNkulunkulu ngokwakhe ngenxa yakhe ngamandla akhe ngaphandle kwakho konke eyena yedwa. uNkulunkulu ozikhonela ngokwakhe ngamandla akhe. Bekhona abakudukisa bengekho uyama yena. Indingiliza engunaphakade uma sisuka kuye siyithola siyakuye. Ngoba yonke into mayisuka kuyiphindela kuye. Nesikhathi njengoba usibona siyindingiliza sisho khona ukuthi konke kusuka kuJobe kuphela kuJobe. Haleluya bazalwane. Zonke izinto mayidalwe zidalwe in seconds. Yonke into yenzeka in seconds. Ingakho khona i-carbon cycle. Ingakho funeka uphe ukuze uthole i-cycle. Ingakho funeka ufe kudala kumilo obusha i-cycle. Ingakho funeka uqale kubheda bese kuyalungiswa kulunge. Manje kulahlekelwa inkazimulo kuphinde futhi iqale phakathi process. Yes. uNkulunkulu we-process. Ingakho lezi zinto eziyaphambili zidinga indingiliza okuyisonto. Ukuze phambili idinga isonto. Seconds. So the Bible then God sat in his Godhead and said, there is this idea, this burning desire that I have as God to make men in my own image. Much further in the book of Genesis says, let us make them like God. Let them be like God. Let them resemble God. Let them dominate and rule over the creatures of the skies, over the creatures under the ocean, over the creatures over the land. Let them have power and dominion. Let them overcome the world. But this idea was contested because the idea had loopholes. Now when God said this idea, there were 3 grounds of contention. One of those grounds was, okay God, if you are going to make man in your own image, you are going to make them with mud. Uzobaka ngodala. You are going to use humorous, mud, and form this man. That is why we are called human. So the grounds of contention there were, uNkulunkulu bazokufuza kanjani bakhiwe ngodaka ngoba udaka liyahlupha. Lolu daka esakhiwe ngalo luyingozi webazalwane. Ngoba lungeke izinto ezintathu ezamelana naleli cebo likaNkulunkulu ukuthi makusubakhile uNkulunkulu uzobakha ngodaka. Uyalazi uNkulunkulu udaka ukuthi lunjani. Udaka luyingozi webazalwane udaka. Ngoba udaka lisindiswa. Udaka lumazi uJesu. Udaka lona esithathu esafaka kulo ingozi. One of the grounds of contention was that the man is going to be put into a fleshly body, and the body is known for its carnality. The body can be carnal. The body can be unfaithful. The body can be rebellious. Oh dear God, if you are going to make them in your own image, will they be able to be holy as you are holy? That's the second grounds of contention. Because Penezulun Mujenekanto, hallelujah, Konum Men, Konum Shushis, Konum Soul, Konikala, Bison Soul. Bese kuba khona the great judge. Ingakho masifuna incwadi kaMatthew. uMatthew izazinithetho ezulwini kunjengasenkantolo uyayibona izinto ezenza ngalo ingakho neBhayibheli umuntu umlamuleli phakathi komuntu umuntu uKristu Jesu ingakho iBhayibheli sasingamkelekile enkantolo awukwazi ukuyimela wena ngingummeli okwazi ukuma phambi kwehlo lomthetho akhuluma ulimi lomthetho umthetho umuzwe naye awuzwe manje thina siwazi umthetho ingakho sidinga umuntu uKristu Jesu umuntu uKristu Jesu umuntu asidingi bazalwane uKristu Jesu ngoba uKristu Jesu ngendlela asijikele but sidinga umuntu uKristu Jesu ingakho uJesu engawushiya umzimba wakhe wanyuka nawo usezulwini yebo ukuze umindlelosi neyidalwa zikhuluma uJesu apresent umzimba wakhe phambi kaNkulunkulu akhuluma indaba yethu ingakho kuthiwa sinompriest omkhulu onokuzelana nathi okwaziyo ukuhlupheka kwethu azazi oningiwe njengathi sonke asikhonza uNkulunkulu ongayazi indaba yethu ohlele enkazimulweni sikhonza uNkulunkulu odlulile kulokho esidlula kubo bazalwane uJesu simkhonzayo naye zimshayile lezinto ezishayayo naye ubhekanile nobuzima bokuba semhlabeni abesenyameni lekhuluma ngayo ebuzwa uNkulunkulu kaNkulunkulu njengoba ufuna ukwenza umuntu ngomfanekiso wakho uyazi ukuthi uzomenza ngodaka uyalazi udaka ingakho kwadingakala ukuthi ehle uJesu azongena odakeni uNkulunkulu ukuthi wazibamba haleluya bazalwane akafika ngesemdala waba umuntu omusha naye wazizwa izinto ezihlasela abantu abasha wayizwa impilo yokuba ingane ephila kwi-dark and poverty-stricken society where there was corruption wakhula bazalwane uJesu naye wakwanela ubise encela kumawakhe waba ingane wabafana akafika ngesewuNkulunkulu umbuzo wokuqala wokuthi uNkulunkulu umuntu omdala uyazi ukuthi uzokufaka odakeni udaka uyalazi ukuthi alisindiswe ingakho sithola uPaul ephendula but in Romans chapter number 12 verse 1 and 2 we're going to try to be very comprehensive namhlanje but in Romans chapter 1 verse 2 1 and 2 12 1 and 2 Romans 12 1 and 2 lithi iBhayibheli ngenenga bazalwane ngobele bukaNkulunkulu ukuba ninikele imizimba yenu lolu daka lungolele nje lunemikhuba yalo nilunikele lolu daka kuNkulunkulu nibe umnikelo ophilileyo angithi yabona nakusekulungiswa le question yabuzwe kuqala ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzomela yena umuntu uzomela yena ukona komuntu weNkulunkulu njengoba usukhamile nalombono naleli cebo ngoba ke icebo likaNkulunkulu lingevinjwe umuntu nangu uJesu ephendula ngencebo yakhe uPaul uthi ngiyena ngibanikele imizimba yenu ibe umnikelo ophilileyo nowamkelekayo uNkulunkulu abese yaphinda athi do not be conformed to this world ningalilingisileliswe kodwa niguqulwe isimo ngokwenziwa ibe yintsha ingqondo yenu kukhishwa ingqondo endala kukhishwa ingqondo ekhubazekile kukhishwa ingqondo ehlukunyeziwe kukhishwa ingqondo ekhule eSouth Africa lapho ama-society injustices kukhishwa ingqondo enibele fakwe ingqondo entsha fakwe ingqondo entsha ingqondo engalibeli icabanga i-apartheid fakwe ingqondo entsha ingqondo engathi bayibona okunye umuntu ibona umlungu kodwa ibona ubrother this is my brother this is my sister fakwe ingqondo entsha manje ingqondo engabona i-MK ne-DA kodwa ibona abantu abakhisiwe ingqondo entsha ingqondo engathwali izinto ingqondo engabamba amagugu ingqondo engabambela abantu amagugu fakwe ingqondo entsha